Here is how to fix Android Auto not working. Open your phone settings, go to connected devices, then select Android Auto. Here, there are a few changes to make. First, under Startup, select Start Android Auto automatically, either by default or always. Next, enable Start Android Auto while locked. You can also enable Start Music automatically, though that's optional. After that, you go back to your main phone settings, navigate to Apps, then select Android Auto. Now under Permissions, make sure all permissions are enabled and nothing is marked as not allowed. Then you go back to the app info page and open storage. Here you're going to clear both cache and data. Now you might get a warning saying the application data will be deleted, but don't worry, nothing important will be lost. Finally, still under app info page, select Force Stop, then tap OK. After that, restart your device and this should fix any issues.